display true flexibility. The optional BMW Travel and Comfort mount with electrical connection in the front seat backrest in applicable BMW models lets you easily install the all-new Travel and Comfort Pro without any further equipment. It provides a solid hold for your tablet. Here we go. Pull the cover in the front seat upwards and insert the Travel and Comfort Pro until you sense it snapping in. Insert your tablet into the safety case. To fix your tablet in there, pull the bracket up by pressing the upper button on the holding arm. Line up the notches of the safety case with the brackets and push the brackets of the tablet holder down. Need charging? Connect your tablet to the USB-C port in the front seat. For another angle, just pull, push, tilt, or rotate the Travel and Comfort Pro into the desired position. With the optional personal eSIM, your car is also equipped with a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can surf online and watch videos without the need of a SIM card in your tablet. Easy access. To release your device, simply pull up the upper holding latch at the front while pulling on the tablet. Then just press the buttons on the slider to pull out the Travel and Comfort Pro. The new Travel and Comfort Pro is also compatible with the classic base carrier for the headrest. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.